A traditional chutney made with pearl or sambar onions and red chillies, stone ground and seasoned in cold-pressed sesame oil, fiery and pungent, a perfect combination for idli and dosa. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, please support by sharing and subscribing. For the preparation, cut the ends of the pearl or sambar onion. Immerse in water. Peeling small onions might appear to be a daunting task, but if you soak them in water for 10 to 15 minutes, it becomes very easy to peel off the skin and saves a lot of time. Cut the bigger sized onions into smaller pieces, and the small sized onions can be retained as such. After peeling, it comes up to 3.5 cups. Take 20 to 25 Sambar Red Chillies. You can also use Guntur chilies. 10 to 12 Badige Red Chillies. Sambar Red Chillies give the required spice and the Badige chilies the bright red color. Heat a frying pan. Add half a teaspoon of cold-pressed sesame oil. Add the red chillies. To this, add half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or Induppu. When you add salt while frying the red chillies, the smoke coming out while frying is greatly reduced. The next time you try it, do let me know. Fry until the red chillies change color and become crisp. Remove from fire. Allow it to cool. Remove the stem, keep aside. To the grinding stone, add the fried red chillies and salt. Pound it. Add some water. Grind to a medium fine paste. Add the peeled sambar onions to the red chilli paste in the grinding stone. Add in small portions. Pearl or sambar onions are higher in vitamins and minerals compared to regular onions. Shallots are a good source of antioxidants and contain a compound called allicin. When eaten raw, it helps reduce cholesterol and blood sugar. Once 1/2 of the onions is ground coarsely, add the other half. Grind to a slightly coarse consistency. Add curry leaves and grind for 5 to 10 more minutes. Remove. To do this procedure in the mixie, add the fried red chillies and salt to the mixer grinder, pulse to a medium fine powder. Add the raw sambar onions and grind to a medium coarse paste. Do not add water. To season, heat a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold-pressed sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1.5 teaspoon of split black urad dal. When the urad dal turns golden brown, switch off the stove. Add this seasoning to the ground small onion chutney. When you add the seasoning to the chutney, the pungency will be reduced. For all those who cannot handle the spice, increase the quantity of Badige chilies and reduce the quantity of Sambar chilies. You will still have the color but with reduced spice levels. Serve with idli or dosa. Enjoy. Which oil do you prefer for seasoning and why? Do drop your comments below. We'll meet you on Friday with a very interesting idli recipe. It goes very well with this chutney. You can find the link for this recipe in the description box below. Check out the other videos for more interesting recipes.